Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I get this lovely wig done for a fellow friend. So today, this is part one of the actual video. I'm showing you how I get the hair prepped because she gave me blonde hair and she wanted them black, so we had to color the bundles before we actually constructed the wig. So this is the video, part one of the video, showing you how I got the hair back to black, or from blonde to black. I hope you love this video. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe this video. Thanks. I'll see you guys in the next video. So I'm going to mix the step 1 and step 2. I'm not sure if it is the developer and the color. Please let me know below because the writing wasn't in English, so I pretty much had to wing it. So let me know below if it is the developer and the color, but I had to mix step 1 and step 2 together in order to color the bundles. So yeah, please let me know down below if you know what they are, because I have not really done a lot of coloring to know what it is. But yeah, so I mixed the step 1 and step 2, and then I go ahead to apply it on the hair using my brush because I didn't have the coloring brush, so we had to do with what we had, which was a toothbrush. So I went ahead and covered my hands. You don't want the color on your hands, it's going to stain, so make sure you wear your protective gloves. These gloves were from the actual box, which are pretty big, but we have to use what we have to use. So yeah, I covered my hands and then proceeded to coloring the bundle. So after coloring, I think 3 of the bundles, because the color wasn't enough for all 4, I left it in the aluminum foil to process further for 30 minutes, and then went ahead to shampooing and conditioning the hair and getting it ready for the wig process. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my video to a friend of a friend of a friend. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a great week.